Are you eating yourself to death? My immediate answer is yes, you are eating yourself to death. I can just hear you all shout, "Hold on a second there, Andrew." I eat very healthy foods, and I only drink healthy fruit juices. I don't eat sweets, I only buy low-fat and low-carb products. I eat healthy, and don't need to go through this video. Hold on there a moment. You are not eating as healthy as you think. Let me tell you why. Never in the history of man have we seen more obesity, diseases, syndromes and whatnot, than we do right now. Is this all thanks to food? No, but a huge part is, and if you will indulge me for a short while, I will try my best to explain to you in an easy-to-understand manner why this is so. We live in an instant gratification and microwave society. If it is not quick, easy and now, it is so yesterday. But, at what cost? I can write a whole book about all that stuff they put in processed, or so-called fast foods, but I don't want to bore you to death with all the scientific names and what it does to your body. Let me rather simplify this for you, and say that if it is processed in any way, it is not good for you, and very possibly bad for you. So, what exactly is processed foods, and why is it so bad for you? Does it come in a can, sealed box, sealed bag, or is it ready-made? If so, it is processed. This is the vast majority of the foods that you get at the grocery store. Have a look the next time you are at the store, and you will see this to be true. Now on to why it is so bad for you. For this food to last long, have the right color, and not pick up all the bad bacteria associated with keeping food for long, a long list of chemicals are added to this food. A lot of these chemicals are known to have very serious negative effects of the human body. To name but a few of these side effects: cancer, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, numbness, burning sensation, tingling, facial pressure or tightness, chest pain, headache, nausea, rapid heartbeat, drowsiness, weakness and difficulty breathing for asthmatics. Now, forget all that stuff being added. What about nutritional value? Because of all the processing, there is little, if any, real nutrients left in any of these foods. Not only that, but the salt levels are way above what a human being should be consuming. What about all these healthy brand cereals? Are they processed? Yes. They contain more sugar than anything else. Your poor blood sugar levels does not know what to do with all the extra insulin that it gets with just about any fast or processed food. So, what then is safe and healthy? Anything that is fresh, not processed, and preferably organic. Plain and simple. Yes, that means that nice cup of coffee you are enjoying while reading this is not very good for you. Have a look at your grocery store. The vast majority of the fresh, non-processed foods are around the perimeter of the store, and not in the aisles. This makes shopping so much easier. But, it takes so long to prepare. The most common complaint I hear. Well, if you plan it properly, you can make all your fresh food in less time than it takes to get all your fast food during the day. Read that again. My wife and I prepare all our meals, for the two of us, and our 2 children, in 30 minutes in the morning. All fresh, all healthy, and all ready to eat for the rest of the day. How much, and how often should you eat? This is also very simple. You should be eating every 2.5 to 3 hours. Before you start screaming at me for telling you to eat so much, remember also that these meals should be much smaller portions of your regular 3 meals a day. This will equate to around 6 meals a day. What will you be eating? Also quite simple. Protein, carbohydrates and fat. Yes, fat. You need to eat lean meat, skinless chicken or fish for protein. If you are vegan, there are loads of alternatives. For carbohydrates, you will have fruit and vegetables. For fat, you will have fish oil capsules or flaxseed oil. That's it. Sounds boring? Believe me when I tell you that it is not. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification for more content.